Location, location, location. That's what real estate realtors such as yourself tell your prospective clients in finding their next property. But how about people finding you online? Content, content, content. Hi, I'm Roy Garcia, and here are 5 video content ideas to promote your real estate business. Let's go. Number 1, create a realtor intro video. Introduction profile videos help your first-time visitors put a name and a face to your brand, thus building trust and confidence. The simplest way to do an intro video is to use what you wrote on your website's About page. You need to show who you are, your background, certifications, awards and achievements, and previous sales. The idea is to humanize your brand, so don't be afraid to show a little personality. Intro videos help prospects understand how you work and whether you're a good fit to their real estate needs. Now, before shooting your video, make sure you put down some talking points in your script. Mix it with some property listing shots and put a call to action in the end. Something like contact us or visit our website. Number 2, create a property listing video. Real estate listing videos showcase beautiful properties that are shot with aesthetic angles and highlight the best of the property. In 2020, 63% of home buyers made an offer to a property from a video they saw online. This shows how effective listing and walkthrough videos are in giving prospects a look and feel of the property they want to buy and driving deals forward. For shooting a property listing or a video walkthrough, you can either hire an expert who does these kinds of videos, or you can do it by yourself using your mobile phone. Now here's a tip. You can create a property sale announcement video which helps showcase the kind of properties that you represent, boost buyer confidence, and show prospective clients that you're the best realtor to find the home that's similar to your listings. Number 3, share some tips to hire a real estate agent. Now, this type of video is an excellent way to promote your services, all the while educating people and showing that you care about their home buying and selling experience. Now, tap into your years of experience, do some research, and understand what makes a really good real estate agent. Now, here's a little suggestion. Why not create a countdown video? Now, what's a countdown video? Something like this: top 5 tips in finding the best real estate agent, or 3 things to ask a real estate agent before hiring them. Then subtly connect your tips to your own real estate experiences, thus showing people that you are qualified and that you're a great fit for them. Number 4, client testimonial videos. Video testimonials build social proof and increases your credibility online. A study revealed that 2 out of 3 people are driven to purchase after watching a testimonial video, and real estate is no exception. You can ask your clients for a testimonial at your open house, when you close the deal, or when you turn over the property. Ask them what it was like working with you. They can explain how you understood their needs and help them find their dream home or property. You can share these videos as a standalone video or put them all together in a montage video. You can share them on your website, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and all your other social media channels. Here's another tip. You can shoot these testimonial videos with your mobile phone. Just make sure that you are in a noise-free environment. To make things better, shoot the video in front of your client's new property, which becomes their background and enhances the video. Not to mention, the video speaks for itself. Number 5, educate your audience with interesting content. Teaching your audience and prospective clients builds credibility and trust. You can share different things about the real estate industry. You can create videos about market trends, real estate opportunities, interest rates, or policy changes without promoting your services. Help educate your audience, showcase your expertise, and build their faith in your services. Now, this is one of the best ways to position yourself as thought leader and an expert in your industry, thus generating greater sales. Who doesn't want that? Here are a few more tips. Make sure you distribute all your video content to all your social media channels. Mix and match your content with short-form videos and long-form videos. When you record short-form videos, make sure they are 60 seconds or less, and distribute them to channels like TikTok, IG Reels, FB Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you're going to be recording longer videos, upload them on YouTube. Then create 3 to 5 clips of this video and distribute them everywhere else. And if you're looking for a tool that automatically publishes all your video content to all your social media channels, then try repurpose.io. Upload videos on one channel, say TikTok, and this video gets distributed to all your other social media accounts like YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and more. This saves you time, effort, money, and supercharges your real estate business video content strategy. Yes, repurpose.io is the tool of choice. That's repurposing efficiently with repurpose.io. Try repurpose.io for free by clicking the link in the description below. Start creating content, and start making money. For repurpose.io, I'm Roy Garcia, and we'll see you again next time.